Today we are happy to receive grant award funds from the Community Foundation serving Southwest Virginia that is going to go towards a cargo lift, which has been a project that we've looked forward to for decades here at the Vinton Museum, which is operated by the Vinton Historical Society. This is a great contribution towards going, and it's probably enough to just about close the door other than our pledges. And once we get our pledges in, we hope to start planning for the actual construction of the lift.
I know that the Vinton Historical Society Museum has been a staple in Vinton and in this community for a long time, and this was a much needed addition to the museum in helping folks to be able to see all that the museum has to offer, and the Community Foundation is thrilled to be in a position to support this project.
About 30% of the people that come to our museum have issues of accessing the second floor through a very steep, narrow staircase, which is not unusual for a home that was built in 1906. And with this cargo lift, we'll be able to actually bring people up to the second floor. It's of a size enough to hold either two people or one person in a wheelchair. And it's a great day for all of us and something we've been looking forward to for decades.